mbalariany ma Maasai Mara mane wuonde ne gin jopuonjre ma odonje mbalarianyno e higni mokwongo. Kolose apis obila ma Narok, komanda ma Narok North John Mumanyi wacho ni obila noreso achije gi lwet jopiny mane oriko goyogi e alwora ma Eagles Junction. Achije notero obila e kuondegi mag jot ma gipando e gigo ma gisekwalo kama oting'o simbe mane gimayo jopuonjre. Achijego ibiro chwal e nyim doho bang' yudo thieth.
So an incident happened. These comrades lost their phones. Immediately they reported to the police, and they had already started the investigation. It never took even 24 hours. That thief was found. He's known as Philip. He was found around Eagles Junction. He was walking, and some people were there. Walianza kumtandika lakini nilimuokoa. So tulimleta police station.
4 mobile phones were recovered, 2 at the scene, and later on, when the suspect was discharged from the hospital after receiving treatment, he led our officers to his place of residence, where 2 more mobile phones were recovered. Later on, he took the officers to another house of another accomplice, where another